Kshitij is a sheltered workplace for intellectually disabled adults.
We believe that every woman has a unique story and much more than what just meets the eye. In their stories, they play more than the role of a child bearer. They are the nurturers, the warriors, and our superheroes. We meet Bharti Gandhi, the founder of Kshitij, who has played several roles in her story, right from being a daughter, a wife, and a special mother.
Kshitij started 21 years back with just 4 parents and 4 adults. It so happened that these adults were in special school. This special school keeps these adults only up to 18 years till they become adults. Then what? How to occupy them, because they do not have college as the normal adults would go to a college, they would go to a workplace. These adults do not have that. So we thought of creating a place where they're going to be occupied and they're also learning. Their education will be on and on. So we started with 4 adults in a very, very simple manner, once a week, twice a week, weaning them away from the school atmosphere. It takes time, but eventually they were feeling, oh, they are coming to work. Also, adults, when they go to a workplace, they get a salary, stipend. So we are going to give them a stipend. So that motivated them and they started coming. Every product, when they finish, they love to show it, and everybody gives a good clap, makes them feel so happy. So here, Kshitij is more about love and compassion.
A unique administration and infrastructure is what most organizations take pride upon. Kshitij, on the other hand, takes pride in its inclusivity and has a wholesome approach on entrepreneurship.
We have never been teachers, we have never been administrators, we have never worked, but here we are getting that fulfillment that we also can do something. Then between parents also, the support system has become very strong. So we can each tell each other our problems, and who can not better understand than them. So our net of parents, and without a team of parents, Kshitij is not growing. Kshitij has grown because of that. Anybody, any parents, I would say the first thing, whenever you have a special child, right from child, you accept that you have this. Accepting that itself will make you very strong and work towards it. Then nothing will stop. So everything which is impossible will become possible.
It isn't easy on the mind or the body to run an organization. Each challenge that you face takes a toll on you. Bharti Gandhi has learned and grown with her own set of problems.
The biggest challenge was space. And with all our artwork, we needed a lot of space. Second is getting special educators. And everything is very expensive. So the financial fund is also a big criteria. We are trying to make a lot of gifts and things for corporates, so they get attracted. That is where the awareness will come. Challenges are never going to get over. We were in one place, now we are in 2 places. We've kept on adding, our products have gone from simple to complicated. Now we are into chocolates. So it has been another very, very fulfilling in that manner also. You have to start very small and it will grow.
This is a story of struggle, empathy, fear, rejection, breaking stereotypes, but most of all, it is a story of never giving up and a lesson of humility. Bharti Gandhi is not just a social entrepreneur, but an inspiration, bridge, and a ray of hope for whom the light is bleak. This sure is a success story, but the definition of success here is different than most.
Every time we say we want to live longer and see Kshitij in a very, very comfortable situation, because this is going to go on and on.